Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at a new coin called Space and Time, or the ticker is SXT, as you can see here. So this coin basically launched on May 18th, as you can see, or May 8th, as you can see here, and it has already secured a big listing. It is available on Binance, KuCoin, Bitcat. We have Coinbase, we have Bybit. So basically it is available on most of the exchanges, so it does have a pretty high availability. And if you look at its price, it's just moving at the same price. As you can see here, its all-time high seems to be around 15 cent, and its all-time low seems to be around 11 cents. So basically this is trading in this range as of now. So, and before I move forward in this video, I do need to put it on the table that I do own some of the SXT token. Basically, I think there's a possibility that we will see a pretty good pump, at least hitting 20 cent or even higher. So I will at the conclusion I will try to prove that why I got into it, but I'm usually wrong, so there is no way to know what is going to happen. But I'm hopeful that I will at least get out around 20 cent if that happens, but I'm usually wrong, so do what you want with this token. Anyways, so if you look here, we have a pretty good line here. So basically they said that Microsoft backed blockchain for zero knowledge proven data. So that is something very interesting. We have Microsoft backed blockchain here, and if you look here, basically it is a blockchain for zero knowledge proven data, and they have various things going on. So basically the problem as of now that they are trying to solve is that smart contracts cannot access critical data. Basically that is where SXT chain comes in, and they are using proof of SQL, as you can see here. And if you're interested in this coin, you can actually dive in depth using their own white paper, but I'm not going in depth. Anyways, so looking at the platform, we have we have their chain, basically, as you can see here. After that we have sub-second ZK co-processor, as you can see here, which is basically proof of SQL. They also have space and time DB plus APIs, as you can see here. And they have space and time studio as well, which is this one. Okay, so this is their studio. Just a second, I hope. Okay, so basically as you can see here, we have a lot of things going on here, and we also have community posting there as well, as you can see. I'm not going in depth on what it does, but as you can see here, we do have a lot of users. As you can see, we have around 413 pages, which is a lot. So I will just go on its token and what it does, and I'll just conclude the video. Anyway, so looking at its token, so this is the space and time SXT token, and if we just go here, these are some utilities of what it does. It secures the network. So they are platform, as you can see here. If you go here, it is a smart contract platform cryptocurrency, and it is in zero knowledge proof, but the token itself is on Ethereum, as you can see here. So it is used for staking. Again, it incentivizes high quality data supply. It is used for payments as well, as you can see here. After the tokenomics, it has a max supply of 5 billion, and if you look here, around 25.9% is going towards investors. We have 22.4% going towards team, and 51% going towards community, which is a lot. In that we have ecosystem development around 23%, and we have community rewards around 28%. So as you can see here, so we have two rewards in community. We have 1.4 billion, as you can see here, out of which we have around 375 million, I believe, which will be available to the community on day 0, as you can see. So I think most of it was given in airdrop, and some of it I believe was given on Binance and other things. So basically that. And if you look here, we have around 1 point, I believe, 5 billion 1.4 billion supply released in the market as of now. And if you look here, we have I believe 12 months cliff. So if we just go here, while 100% of the investors and team tokens are on 4-year linear unlock with 15% cliff at 12 months. So basically for 1 year we won't see a sell pressure from we won't see any sell pressure from community, from investors and team. So I think that's pretty good, because that means this token is at least safe from biggest dump or biggest price fall for at least 12 months. So that's pretty good. And we have ecosystem development fund is on 4-year linear schedule, but it will start from day zero. So that means it has no cliff. So that's something that you should know. Now if we just go to their main website, and if we go at the end, you will see comments from their partners. As you can see here, we have CVP at Microsoft giving the tools developers need, and we have co-founder of Chainlink also commenting core infrastructure. So that's something to consider. After that, we have head of investment at Polygon Labs saying scalable infrastructure. After that, we have CEO of VMix. We have building an intergame economy. We have CEO of I believe Shrapnel. We have critical to success. We have managing director of Betgate makes it possible. So they do seems to have pretty good comments. So that means this coin could be could pump from at least my perspective. So at least I think there's a possibility that we could see a pretty good pump. So if you look here, and if we just go to their Twitter or their X account, as you can see here, they just launched staking on 9th, and as of now we have not had any tweet from them. So I think as soon as they tweet, or as soon as they release some data, or at least as soon as they release any news, I think this coin will most likely pump. So if you just look here, right after the staking, the coin did go down, and again it found a pretty good support around 11 cents. So I think we will most likely continue, and there's a possibility that the coin could actually 2x from here, at least from my perspective, because it has yet to pump and it has already secured big listings. So I think at least one pump is coming for this coin, and that could happen. Let's just say that the token at least could tank around 50% or even more than that, and it could actually pump after that. And so at the end we could actually again we could actually see its all-time high around 15 cent, and it could actually continue to go down. That could happen, but I think this coin does seems to have a potential for at least one pump. So that is what I'm hanging on as of now. And if you look at our market, the market is doing awesome, and Bitcoin I think is heading towards its new all-time high. So I think we have a possibility of pump from space and time token. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.